Right, Eileen, I am here to cheer you up, Marcy. I'll bump into you in Braehead one day. This is for Stevie.
Is it?
So what's your reply, Stevie?
Well, Stevie, if we know who you are, maybe we do know who you are. You maybe live locally, and you know her personally. Well, that's a good shout. You don't need to go to Braehead to meet her. You can meet her at the bottom of the landing. Okay? Right.
So what do you think of me going to go and date Stevie?
Oh, I don't know. I think you've been with him before. I think you've been with Stevie before.
Do you?
Aye.
Think Stevie knows me?
Stevie knows you well. Really well.
Stevie sent me a song yesterday.
That day I really fucking definitely knows you well. Be sent you a song.
Aye.
What's the song?
Arizona Sky.
Oh, wow. Aye, he definitely knows you. That's how you're not revealing your face, Stevie.
And Stevie sent me a video. A heavy guy on a treadmill. So I don't know what Stevie's trying to say about me.
Oh, you maybe think you're a fat bastard.